The next one now. Choose the correct top view of the given image. The same solid, but now we have to talk about the top view. Let's mark the surfaces that we'll be able to see from the top. So surface number 1, surface number 2, surface number 3 and surface number 4. Okay, let's draw all these surfaces one by one to have a better understanding. What do you have? The first one is a triangle, and you have this triangle elongating towards the right. Okay, it's not an equilateral triangle, it's a 90 degree, it's a right angle triangle, but elongating towards the right. So this cannot be correct, this cannot be correct, this somewhat looks correct, and this somewhat looks correct too. Okay, next. Let's look at shape number 2. What do you have? After this, you have it moving downwards. Okay, this is also moving downwards, this is moving straight, and then there is an inclined line over here, or that kind of a shape is there. So these two have been eliminated. We are left with 3 and 4. Now the ending point of shape 1 and 2 is same, whereas here you have 1 over here, 2 over here, but there is no line. Okay, so this also becomes incorrect. Let's look at 4. This resembles shape number 2. This is the line from the triangle, then you go down 90 degree, correct, then you move 180 degree and then join these two by an inclined line. So option number 4 so far looks correct, and we are only left with option number 4 so far. But as discussed, let's check once again. Okay. Next one. 3 is going to look like a rectangle. Okay. The point where 1 and 2 join, your 3 starts. Okay. And another point where you have surface 2, you have the continuation of the third surface. So this is what it should look like. We have one rectangle over here, so again correct. Here you have this looking like a square, so this cannot be true. Here you have two quadrilaterals or two squares, even this cannot be true. This is correct for your surface number 3, but let's look at surface number 2. What is happening? You have something like a parallelogram over here, which is not correct in case of surface number 2. So 1, 2, 3 eliminated. Fourth option is the correct one for us. We have double checked it as well. Now just left with 4, so let's check for that as well before moving on to the next question. This is the shape that you should be getting for 4, which is correct. You move straight, so this line and this line. U is parallel or in the same line. So this is correct. You move down from third surface, this is also correct. You move at 90 degree from the surface, correct, and then you join these two by an inclined line or inclined line over here. Okay, so correct.